Did you hear? A new tariff stimulus is rolling out in 2026 and you might be able to claim $2,000. Yes, $2,000, but only if you know the steps. Stay tuned because it'll walk you through exactly how to check eligibility, file the claim, and avoid common scams. Hey everyone, I'm Nelly. Welcome to Finance Unlocked with Nelly. In this video, we'll break down the Trump 2026 tariff stimulus announcement and give you a clear, step-by-step guide on how to claim $2,000 if you qualify. It'll explain who's eligible, what documents you need, where to apply the timeline, and red flags to watch for. Whether you're new to government benefits or this is your first time claiming a stimulus, it'll make it simple and actionable. If you want updates, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss follow-ups. What is the 2026 tariff stimulus? The tariff stimulus announced for 2026 is intended to offset increased costs from tariffs on certain imported goods. The goal is to provide a direct payment, in some cases a one-time, $2,000 payment to qualifying households or businesses affected by those tariffs. Important, always verify details on official government websites because eligibility rules and procedures can change after announcements. Quick check: do you want this money for personal household relief or to help your small business? Type household or business in the comments. Who is eligible? Individuals. The program typically targets U.S. citizens or resident aliens with income under a specified threshold. Common eligibility factors are adjusted gross income, household size, and whether you were directly affected by tariff price increases. Small businesses, businesses with fewer than a certain number of employees or with tariff-exposed supply chains, may be eligible for the same or a similar $2,000 payment. Exclusions: government employees in certain categories, non-resident aliens, and entities that already received compensation under other overlapping programs might be excluded. Always check the official eligibility page. Agencies often publish an FAQ with income limits and documentation requirements. Pattern interrupt visual cue, on-screen checklist graphic id proof of income, tariff impact evidence, bank info. What documents you'll need? Prepare these before you apply. Government-issued id driver's license, passport or state id, social security number or tax id. Proof of income, last year's tax return form 1040, recent pay stubs or business tax returns for businesses. Proof of tariff impact, receipts, invoices, supplier notices that show increased costs due to tariffs or price comparisons if you're a business. Bank account and routing number for direct deposit. Scan or take clear photos of everything. Keep PDF copies on your phone or computer. Where and how to apply step by step. 1. Find the official application portal. The fastest route is the federal agency named in the announcement. Check the agency's website or an official press release link. If a state or local government is administering funds, go to that official site. To create or sign into a secure account on the portal, use a unique password and enable two-factor authentication if available. 3. Complete the online application form. Fill in personal info, household composition, income details, and tariff impact information. 4. Upload required documents. Follow file type and size guidelines to avoid rejections. 5. Choose payment method. Direct deposit is fastest. 6. Submit and note your confirmation number. Timing: expect verification to take several weeks. The agency should provide an estimated processing time after you submit. Want a sample list to copy? Comment list and I'll pin a template to the comments. Example scenarios. Household example: Jane, single with AGF 40K, saw food and household item price increases due to tariffs. She files with her 2025 tax return and receipts, gets verified, and receives $2,000 via direct deposit in 6 weeks. Small business example: Mike runs a boutique importing materials affected by tariffs. He submits supplier invoices and profit loss statements and claims the business stimulus payment. Common problems and how to fix them. Missing documents: if your application is incomplete, the agency will usually request more info. Respond quickly and keep copies of everything you submit. Denials: if denied, check the denial reason, correct errors, and submit an appeal within the posted timeframe. Delays: if processing exceeds posted timelines, use the portal's support or phone line and reference your confirmation number. Scams and red flags must watch: do not share your social security number, bank login, or full tax return via email or text with anyone who contacts you. Official agencies will not demand payment or charge a fee to apply. Red flags include unsolicited texts or calls asking for payment to release funds. Websites that are not official. Gov domains are safest for federal programs. Requests to wire money or buy gift cards. If you suspect fraud, report it to the agency and the Federal Trade. Did you know? Over 70% of relief scams mimic official portals. Always double-check the URL. Tax and record keeping considerations. Payments may be taxable depending on how the law defines them. Keep records and consult a tax professional. Save all documents for at least 3 years in case of audit. For businesses, record the payment as income or offset in the way recommended by your accountant. Drop a comment. Is this program household or business focused for you? Hit like if the tips helped. Share your timeline updates below. Your experience helps others. If you got $2,000, would you save it, pay debt, or spend it? If this guide helped, please subscribe and like the video. It helps me bring you more step-by-step walkthroughs. For the most accurate application link, check the pinned comment and description where I'll put official resources. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, protect yourself from scams, and double-check official sources when you apply. Next video I'll cover how to appeal a denial and show a sample appeal letter, so make sure you're subscribed. See you next time.